we've been trying to provide quality education for over 40 years. Now we've reached a point where we believe that we need to take a different view on education. We need to go away from a system where we are constantly reading, memorizing, and reproducing, to a system where we understand what we are doing, a more hands-on approach. So have more practical side to education.
I really feel privileged to be part of this seminar and training workshop with Cosmos. I have actually enjoyed the approach. With children are so much interested in technology, they have produced their works in a way that can meet that reality and interest in learners. Hope and believe that when every parent and stakeholder around come across this, they would like to have it and keep it for their kids. It is a very nice one. As an adult, I enjoy it with children.
Most of the people who are making moves in the world today are people who can apply the knowledge. So our goal is to start to push this agenda. That children need to start to learn from a very young age that application of knowledge is more important than just acquiring knowledge. We're trying to make education in Cameroon international by pushing the children to learn how to think, solve problems, analyze things, and start at a very young age to face the challenges that we have out there in the world.
To Cosmos, I think I'm just very much grateful, and I'm happy that in the background they have been doing something like this.